Jesus. Listen. Bro, what you doing? It's people out here saying that you don't know how to cut without enhancement. What? Bro, you're not in the comment section? Bro, no, I don't be in the comment section, bro. I'm not going on none of the comment section. They always talking about how you're on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. It doesn't even matter, bro. They're always talking about how you use enhancements, bro. Too much negativity in those sections, bro. You can't cut without enhancements? I've been cutting without enhancements, bro. When I got out of barber school, bro, I was cutting out without enhancements, bro. Bro, that was so long ago. That was so long ago, bro. Don't nobody care about what you used to do, bro. What you doing now? Ain't doing nothing but using enhancements, bro. Hey, if I was you, I would show somebody something. Alright, you guys, first things first, what you want to do is comb the hair out, alright? The reason why you're combing the hair out first is because you're lifting the hair off the scalp, therefore making it easier for the hair to run into the teeth of the blade. This cordless masters with the one guard open, which is a 1.5. My client ultimately wanted a 1.5 on the top. Putting on the one guard with the lever open makes it a 1.5. All right, I'm going with the grain of my client's pattern, making sure that I watch out for any cowlicks and any light spots. Using my Barber Snap FX with the lever open, I'm going up as if I'm setting in my bald line, but I'm not. He doesn't want a bald taper, he just kind of wants a shadow taper. So I'm using that bald line aspect that I always do. Instead of using the bald line, I'm using the lever open first. Next, using the one guard with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I scoop out and go over that guidelines multiple times to make sure that it's at that one guard length. Next, I'm putting on the 1.5 guard with the lever open, which to me, by putting on that guard, it's now a 2 guard. All right, so I got my lever open and I'm just going up, clearing out the bolt. Next, putting back on my one guard, I'm just clearing that area between the 1 and the 1.5, which is a 2. So with me, I like taking baby steps as I blend back down. So I got on the ½ guard with the lever open, and I'm kind of just softening up that middle line with the ½ guard. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to completely take out the line. It's just softening it up so it makes it easier to take out with the next step. Now that the line is softened up, I'm going to close the lever on that ½ guard and basically just flick out the rest of that middle line. All right, I'm going to use my corners the entire time and start below the line and flick to the line. If you need to adjust your lever as you go up. Don't keep the guard closed while you go up, thinking that you're gonna bring that fade up higher. So make sure you open that guard up. Detailing is very important. All right, it's the most important part to the blend. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, it shows you different bulk areas where you got to go use your corners of the blade and kind of get in those areas and debulk those hairs. As students, it's very important that you learn your guard lengths. All right, you should be able to see the hair and know what guard to use. If you don't, this is where you're in school and you need to practice. All right, and it's all about memory. Look at the hair, look at what guard you used, and remember that guard with that specific length. Cutting hair, getting better, is always about repetition. All right, the more you cut, the more heads you cut, the more you learn, the more you pick up on different things that you didn't know on the first cut. So don't be discouraged. Keep cutting, especially if you're in school trying to learn. Be careful on who you get advice to. You can't get advice from everybody. Be mindful of the people that you want to learn from. Learn from those who inspire you. So right now, I'm basically just gonna dry up the skin a little bit, basically clean up the areas by adding shaving cream to my client's lineup and his face. All right, I'm gonna apply a hot towel and massage my client's face to knock off the excess dirt.
did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy.